Welcome back, everyone. It's great to have you here as we dive into a car that carries decades of history into the world of 2025. Picture that familiar rounded silhouette rolling into view under the soft morning light. You can almost feel the anticipation as you approach. Stepping up to the front of this modern Beetle, you notice how the classic round headlights have evolved into adaptive LED units that give it a friendly yet confident gaze. The Volkswagen emblem sits proudly at the center of a subtly redesigned grille, hinting at improved airflow and aerodynamic efficiency. Below, the sculpted bumper integrates slender daytime running lights that trace the car's curves, and the hood slopes gently upward, guiding your eye to the windshield. Turning to the side, the Beetle's signature fender arches remain, but here they're sharpened by crisp character lines that suggest athleticism. The frameless windows open on sleek hinges and flush door handles tucked neatly into the bodywork, helping reduce drag. Resting on 18-inch turbine-style alloy wheels, the stance feels ready for adventure, underscored by subtle side skirts and a slightly lowered suspension that balance ride comfort with spirited handling. At the back, those iconic curves continue into new wraparound taillights that mirror the front's LED rings. Whether you're looking at the twin exhaust outlets on the gasoline model or the clean rear panel and diffuser on the electric version, the design feels cohesive. The trunk lid lifts on smooth hydraulic struts to reveal a surprisingly clever cargo area, complete with underfloor storage that can hide away your charging cables or emergency kit. Climb inside and you're greeted by a cabin that fuses nostalgia with modern tech. Circular air vents and retro-style toggle switches sit alongside a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster, which you can customize to show speed, navigation, or battery range. A floating 10-inch touchscreen handles infotainment duties, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Volkswagen's latest voice control assistant. Materials feel premium, soft-touch plastics, leatherette seats with contrast stitching, and optional open-pore wood accents. Up front, space is generous, and seats are supportive. In the rear, passengers get enough headroom, though legroom remains cozy in true Beetle fashion. Under the hood of the gasoline model, a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder delivers 150 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque through a 7-speed DSG gearbox. For those craving instant power delivery, the electric variant packs 200 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque, sprinting from 0 to 60 in under 7 seconds. Adaptive dampers smooth out bumps without letting the Beetle feel floaty, and steering is precise and communicative. In electric form, regenerative braking can be dialed up for one-pedal driving, while the standard battery gives about 250 miles of range, with an optional pack extending that to roughly 320 miles. When it comes to pricing, the gasoline Beetle starts around $24,000. Opt for mid-level trims, and you'll see features like heated seats, a premium audio system, and advanced driver assistance tech that push the price toward $28,000. The electric entry point sits near $35,000, and upgrading to the extended range battery or performance pack brings it closer to $42,000. Federal and state incentives can knock off several $1,000s from the EV's sticker price, making it an attractive value in the electric hatchback segment. If you're logging long highway miles, the gas model's quick refueling and lower entry price make it practical. For eco-minded drivers or tech enthusiasts, the EV shines, especially if you've got a reliable charging setup at home or work. We recommend stepping up to at least the mid-level trim to unlock adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking, which ease the stress of city traffic. And don't forget those playful retro color options. Pastel mint and sunset orange really let the Beetle's personality shine. As we wrap up, remember that this isn't just another hatchback. It's a rolling piece of history reborn for the modern era, blending character, style, and a uniquely enjoyable drive. Thanks for watching. Let us know your favorite Beetle memory in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the review, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the cars you love. Stay tuned for our next adventure. Maybe we'll take this Beetle on a twisty coastal road next time. Until then, happy driving.